If I got $1 every time I screamed.
This is though.
Oh, not again. Just slime.
Whoa! Oh, last time.
What's up guys, this is Serena. I'm here with another collab video and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime.
Well, I already started because I'm a loser. Oh, we have 3 bowls, one for each of our glues and one for the water borax solution.
We're going to be using the borax method, but you could also use laundry detergent and cornstarch. And for laundry detergent, you just mix in the detergent really slowly with the glue. And then for cornstarch, you mix the cornstarch and the glue. And you also have to add liquid detergent or it won't be really stretchy.
And you could also do the air wick way, because the air freshener, because it has borax in it, and yeah. And first, we're going to pour the glue in here.
And make sure just to use Elmer's glue, because
Elmer's glue works the best. Okay. So after you pour the glue in, you have to go and get some water. And a nice simple trick is when you're done with the glue bottle, fill it up so you could put it like in equal amounts. So yeah. So we have some warm water so the borax will dissolve better. I'm back with the water and we're just gonna pour it in. I'm gonna get some spoons. We're just mixing the water in the glue.
Taco!
Okay, so we mixed it in. And then what you need is some borax, which I'm going to get. So we have some warm water so the borax will dissolve better. We're going to put some water in a bowl. I'm probably going to spill all this over.
is it really warm? And you spilled it on your pants. Great! So, peel. So,
we have the bowl of water right here.
Bowl of water.
So what we're going to do is just going to approximately get some borax. Where's your phone? Let me get your phone.
I have my phone.
Here.
Let me do the passcode.
Yeah, I don't know it by heart.
Nobody will ever know my passcode.
That's about a teaspoon of borax.
Which one should we take? Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot. Okay, take my fork. And let's just mix it. And we have to wait for it to dissolve. Was that also why our slime wasn't that clear? I don't know. Last time I made it, like, my slime wasn't, like, clear, and I'm like, meh. Yeah. But the shaving cream is going to make it not clear. Ooh, there's slime on your fork. Sort of. Okay, so then what we're going to do, we're going to add some of the borax water solution to our bowls.
Let's add the borax water solutions to our bowls. I'll go you first.
Okay. And do it, remember to do it really slowly.
If you're a beginner, I recommend using
The detergent one.
yeah.
Or the liquid starch one.
Let me see yours. Yours is more stretchier than mine. I need some more. Ooh. This is nice. It's like, so it's really clear, and when we add the shaving cream, it's not going to be as clear, but it's fine. Not me. Wait, how do you say house in Spanish? I don't know. How do you say house in Italian? I don't know. This is why you don't learn languages in school. La casa. Mi casa. This is why you don't learn languages in school. Go to go home, you're drunk. Yeah, mine's now really slimy. Yeah, this time we actually succeeded. Do you want to see what, like, I want to show them what, like, it looked like last time. Last time it was like this. A little bit too much. It's in a plastic bag, it feels nice, but it's not stretchy at all. And it was really sticky and hard to get off my fingers. Which is probably because we did not do it right. Wow. Thumbnail be like,
I don't know how to do thumbnails. No, so like whenever I make a video, the thumbnail is in some random spots, so sometimes I look like really weird in the thumbnail, and I'm like, no! Like in some of my squishy videos, and like, it was like squishy package number 2, I was like, for the thumbnail, and I'm like, no!
Or, yeah. The bad part is that our hands get super messy, but
you know, who cares?
you can just wash them all. Can you give me some borax?
I think we have like the perfect amount of borax.
We actually succeeded. Like, oh my god.
Yeah, it doesn't.
This came out good. And I'm making 2 batches because my mom threw out my other slime. So
I have a lot of slimes.
I don't.
I have like all the ones I made because I'm weird.
I think I could start going in there with my hands now.
Oh my god, this is so amazing, like,
wait, I need more borax. I do.
yeah, this is so, oh my god, this is so amazing. We literally failed so bad last time, like,
Now we could be the masters of making borax slime.
my hands, they're like so stuck to my hands.
Yeah, because like last time we used like cold water for the borax and it didn't dissolve well and like it wasn't good. But now we succeeded. Are you guys proud of us?
Yeah, are you? I would show you guys another up close one, but I kind of can't because my hands are like. We'll show you at the end. Yeah. Look. Oh my god, this actually worked. Oh my god. That moment when your DIY doesn't fail. Yeah, remember that lip scrub one? Yeah, I'm probably not gonna post that one. That didn't fail, but it was weird. Yeah. Should I still see all her videos before she posts them? Except for squishy packages and stuff. Yeah, because I post those ones like no matter if they're crunchy. I saved all my videos private because people started like being weird.
Yeah. Or why your mom doesn't let us do this at your house because like it's so messy.
Yeah, my hands like. So this is my slime after adding some borax, and it turned out really, really good. And what we did last time that made it worse is that we put cold water in borax, but make sure that you put warm water in borax. And make sure you mix it up really good. And I'm really happy about the results, like really, really happy. And this is Harins with the shaving cream. Wait, can I feel yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is way fluffier.
And I'm just mixing some red food dye in it to make it a light pink.
Yeah, I love light pink. I love all shades of pink.
I love all shades of blue, but I ate all of the blue food coloring. So,
I love my slime. Oh my god, this is amazing.
oh my god, I make so many weird faces in this video.
If only I knew how to zoom in. Somebody comment down below how do you zoom in with iMovie for iPads. Face has to be zoomed in. I'm also thinking about making like a friend bloopers video. Comment down below if you want me to, if you want to see that. I only did this is my 4th video I did with one of my friends, but I have a lot of bloopers because my friends are very weird people. You and Rachel are the weirdest people I know.
Yep. My heart beats to the beat of the drums. Oh, what a shame that you can't.
That should be doing again. Do I need more borax? I got it. No, I want to drain it. We need to add some more borax. I think I'm gonna start eating this. Yeah. No. We might need some more borax. I'm just gonna start eating it to see. Here's the slime. Woo! It's very pink. I'm just gonna give it a huge dip because it's a little sticky. No, don't give it a huge dip. Whatever. This created a less quantity than our other slimes, if you could tell. But we actually drained this one. The other ones we didn't, which is sort of weird. Yeah. See, like this one we have this much, so we have this much here. Over my face, it just starts shaving my face. It's not a good idea. I was also born so I could shave my beard. So I'll grow like a really long beard up to here, and then I'll just shave it all off, and then I'll have like a hair collection for like all the hair that I shaved off from my beard. You know, some people don't even grow beards. Oh, this one's really nice. Oh, I'm mesmerized. Can I add it for you? Yeah, I need a lot more borax in my slime. My clear slime. I don't know. This one's really stretchy. I think it's the glue. I think this one works better.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Okay, good. Wait, is this recording? Okay, good.
He sees you when you're sleeping.
He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake.
You
Better not pout, you better not pout, you better not good. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
to town.
I'm dying. I didn't.
Not pout, I'm telling you why. I am gonna burn my face off.